Hello everyone, welcome to Devo's Life Foundation channel. In today's video, we are going to build a Linux virtual machine. So in order to build virtual machine, we require VirtualBox software. Now to download VirtualBox, we are going to search VirtualBox in Google platform and select on downloads option. After that, we are going to select on Windows host option as we are downloading VirtualBox for Windows host platform. Now to download Ubuntu, we are going to search Ubuntu on Google platform and select on download option. After that, select on download option again and select on 22.4 LTS version. As I already downloaded both Ubuntu, ISO file and VirtualBox, I am not going to download it again. So once you downloaded both VirtualBox and Ubuntu ISO file, uh, please resume the video again as it takes a little bit of time. Once you have downloaded both VirtualBox and Ubuntu ISO file, you can simply install VirtualBox in your operating system. After installing VirtualBox, open it and click on New option. Here for to create a new virtual machine. Here we are going to enter the name of our virtual machine as Ubuntu so that VirtualBox will automatically detect its type and version. Then click on next. Here we are going to allocate the base storage or RAM to our virtual machine. I will recommend to allocate almost 1700 MB to 2000 MB of RAM to our virtual machine. Then click on next, then select on create. Then next, and here we are going to allocate a storage to our virtual machine. Here I am going to change the location from C to D as I have access storage in D drive. Click on now to allocate the storage. We are simply going to click on any folder, select on it and click on open. Then save. Here I will also recommend to change the size from 10 GB to 20 GB. Then click on create. As we see, our new virtual machine is created. Now in order to start our virtual machine, we need to do some essential changes in our settings. Now go to settings and go to general and advanced. Change it from disable to bidirectional shared clipboard, and also in drag and drop change it from disable to bidirectional. Then go to system and select on processor. Now change processor count from 1 to 3 as it is recommended. Then go to a storage option, select on empty and click on this disk archive. Here VirtualBox will automatically detect your Ubuntu ISO file. If not, then click on choose uh, choose a disk file and locate the location of your Ubuntu ISO file. Click on it and select open. Then OK. Now our virtual machine is fully configured and ready to start. Now we are going to start our virtual machine. So let's start. Wait some time as it takes a little bit of time for starting. As we see this menu, select on try or install Ubuntu. Wait a little bit. It takes a little bit of time, so wait. Now as we see, uh, this menu is going to appear, or this window will appear. Now click on install Ubuntu, and if your language is not English, then change accordingly. If you want to change, now click on continue, select normal installation, download, let it remain the same, and click on install third party software for graphics and buffer hardware acceleration. Click on continue. It will install our Ubuntu OS and also third party software which is required for our additional supports. Installation process usually takes a little bit of time, so may seem a little bit time consuming. Let it remain erase disk and install Ubuntu and click on install now. Click on continue. This error or this warning may be shown to you. Don't worry and click on continue. If you want to change the location, you can also change the location, but I will let it remain as it provided. Click on continue. Now here is a major part. We need to put our name, our computer name, and a password, also a username too. Choose your username and password uh, accordingly so that you can remember it. I suggest to choose the password as same as your name so that you can't forget it. Click on continue. Now the process of installation starts. It maybe takes 10-20 minutes, so depending upon your network connection it may takes about 10 to 20 minutes, so wait. Now as we see, our installation is successfully completed. Now click on restart now. It will take some time to restart, so please wait a little bit of time. Now as we see in this window, click on enter. Now our virtual machine is restarting. Now we see this window and click on our username and enter our password, which we entered during the installation process, and click enter. Now as we see in this window, just skip, next, next. Here it is showing that our welcome to Ubuntu is not responding. So just wait a little bit. Actually it is not that much essential, so we can force quit it. Now in first we are going to increase our window size of our virtual machine. So right click on your mouse or keypad, then select on display settings, then select on resolution and change the resolution from 700 to 1280 into 720 16.9 ratio, and click on apply. As we see, our window size is increased. Now close it. That's it for this video. In the next video we will first learn about Linux file system, about its basic command line and some of Linux commands, and after that we will start performing experiments with Docker. Thank you.